and welcome to E Prime. I'm Kalia, filling in for Dadrian. Spice is back. The queen of dancehall is making her return as today she released her first single for 2023, God Bless Me. The song, produced by Spice Official Entertainment, speaks to her October 2022 surgery scare as she answers her added the quote, God has been so good to me, which is similar to the single's title, God Bless Me. Calls to boycott Valiant falls on deaf ears. Promoters are going ahead with the dance artist Valiant, who is booked for Aftermath US Carnival's after party despite pushback to him performing at the university compound. The heated debate on the choice of artist followed an article in The Gleaner on Monday, where a letter to the editor by someone titled As a UE Student pointed out that, and I quote, it is a glaring contradiction that a university would elevate an artist who promotes being dunce and choosing a life of scamming, as seen in Valiant's song, Dunce Check. However, speaking with E Prime, promoter of the event, Sandra Malcolm says with all sides considered, the top-ranked artist is a go.
For us, if we were going to do it, we had to go for the best. And right now, in our opinion, Valiant is the number one artist in dancehall, and we wanted that experience for the university students to experience. We wanted that experience for persons who are coming to this event that we're planning, a college carnival super fete as we've dubbed it. And this artist is headlining some fests. Artist is headlining Dream Weekend, so it was a no-brainer for us to choose and to move forward with having one of the best artists to come on the universe, to make his university debut.
UE Ring Road Carnival is scheduled for this Saturday with Valiant headlining the Aftermath on the same night. I'm Kaylee reporting for your Weekend E Prime. Thanks for having me this week. Stay safe.